Surah Al-AAM 101-103. Theme of this passage is God in Himself. It elaborates some of the fundamental aspects of unity of God, Tawhid. It describes God as the originator of universe and rejects any kind of misconception of God having any family. It also refers to His unbounded knowledge, power and grasp on His created world. The passage further stresses on the sublime nature of God and inability of human imagination to encompass God's person, though He Himself can see to the unfathomable depths, as endorsed elsewhere in the Quran. For God is He who understands the finest mysteries, 22 hours 63 minutes. Teachings. This passage is important for Muslims to clearly understand the doctrine of Tawhid in terms of God's nature and powers. Muslims need to learn that though God is too sublime to be perceived, He is everywhere and all-powerful. The Quran reminds Muslims this repeatedly. And He is with you wherever you are, 57:04, Al-Hadid. And for we are nearer to Him, man, than His jugular vein, 50:16, Qaf. The passage also categorically negates the false belief of God having any wife or children, and thus, it strikes at the roots of shirk, associating partners with God. Muslims, in this way, develop a clearer concept of Tawhid and feel themselves bound to adore God only. They remember that shirk is the only unpardonable sin in the sight of God.